Welcome to 1208 Hidden Spring Drive in Naperville, Illinois. This 1960s era Colonial home's front entry trim was falling apart and it had outdated aluminum siding, windows, and roofing. Fortunately, Siding and Windows Group knew just how to handle these problems. Our design consultants at Siding and Windows Group take their time to carefully craft the ideal renovation design for their clients. Furthermore, our construction crew are masters at their craft and do a fantastic job of bringing everything to life. In this project's renovation, we used James Hardie Siding in the color gray slate, Arctic white along the trim, and Simonton 5500 series windows. The homeowners were satisfied with the service and the result, and our rates were very reasonable, which gave them the confidence in their choice to work with us. For more information on how Siding and Windows Group can transform your home, please contact us to schedule your design consultation today.